Bye-bye, truck. Wave. What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here from Liquidation Pros, and as you saw in the last clip, truck just pulled off. I got a delivery. It is a total of 6 pallets of Costco goods. So we have 2 pallets of mixed clothing. It's going to be a lot of jackets. This is like a winter coat. All these boxes are completely full. They use fruit boxes to ship a lot of their inventory in, just a way for them to recycle all those because they go through so much produce. So that there is all full of clothing and jackets. These to me look like brand new case pack units, so hopefully at least these 4 are brand new. A lot of this stuff will be like open box customer returns, so we will have to go through it all. And then I have also 2 pallets of reading glasses. So this is one here, and no, this is actually clothing, I'm sorry. So that's all clothing there. So that's number 2 for the clothing. Let's walk around this way. And then here is a pallet of the reading glasses. They did, I guess one of the pallets was too big, so they took a couple boxes off of each. Like you can tell, these aren't wrapped up, so they must have been getting knocked off from the truck, so they put them. But there's some more clothing up here. You know, there's a brand new pair of Calvin Klein dress pants, men's pants. This is mixed men's and women's clothing. And then here are the readers. These are your standard like 2 and 3 pack glasses that Costco carries. So as you can see there, this is the Foster Grant Design Optics collection. There is most of these. I was looking through this box and another box. Most of these look like they're open box returns. So a little disappointed because I believe it was like 400 pairs or sets of glasses, and I was hoping that a bunch of them were going to still be new, like they were closing out of line. But to me, it looks like they're all pretty much open box. That one's open. And what I'm going to do is, I just want to do a quick video. The purpose of this video is just showing you, here we are at a residential area, just single family homes. I don't have a loading dock or anything like that. The truck literally backed up my driveway and dropped the merchandise right here. Now luckily this time they were in like a 28-foot single unit truck. They weren't in a tractor trailer. The tractor trailers have to park down on the street and we have to push the inventory up. In all cases but one, the delivery driver helped me push it up. The guy was just too old. He's like, yeah, honestly, I'm not supposed to take it up your driveway. I was like, all right, no problem. Luckily I do have a pallet jack in that instance. So with the pallet jack, I'm able to get a helper and have them push it up. So real quick, let's finish going through what else we have. These are just loose boxes that were falling off when we took it off the truck, so I set them there. But now this is a pallet full of health and beauty, like perfume, makeup, stuff like that. So it's just packed full of like there's a Pure Celebrate Your Selfie, Sweet 16 collector set, stuff like that. Really high end. I paid up for this lot here. Just this perfume alone was around $3,000 for that box. The clothing, I believe that was also closer to like $4,000. The glasses, the reading glasses were pretty cheap. I got all these glasses for 800 bucks shipped to my door. It was estimated retail of around $8,000, so that's a pretty good buy there. The perfume I paid about 30% of retail, and the clothing I paid 25% of retail. And then lastly, I got a pallet of miscellaneous shelving. And the reason I got this is I want to do some reorganization of my shelving units. So there's what they look like. You can see now these are open boxes. A lot of these look like they're just like damaged condition, so they're like shelf pools. So these were grade A, grade B condition. So we'll have some new, some that are open box. You know, here's a reason. This is a $130 shelving set. And the reason that they sent it back is because they changed their mind. So there shouldn't be anything wrong with that. We will have to double check, but that's another wire shelving kit. So this here is all shelving. And like I said, my goal is to actually use that. So I bought that for the business. I paid around 25% of retail for all the shelving. It was $1,200 worth of shelving that I got for 400. Well, it was either 300 or 400 bucks. I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll have to look. But you can see like some of the brands here. Orvis, nice Orvis like fleece. So I'm going to be going through all this stuff in future videos. It's probably going to be like a clothing video, a cosmetics perfume video, maybe a shelving video, more so just showing you how I'm using it in storage. And then lastly, I could do one of the well, I was over there already, the reading glasses. I keep mixing this one up because they put clothing on top, but this is supposed to be all reading glasses. So anyhow, for the rest of this video, I'm going to do a quick time lapse showing you how basically we're going to manually carry this into the house to be processed. So I process everything out of my basement, and then from there it gets taken to storage, or it gets listed or sent to Amazon. So most of this stuff is going to be eBay, local sales like a flea market, but like all the glasses, I'm going to try to make complete sets. I'll put those up on eBay. The ones that aren't complete, I'll sell as loose on like local Facebook page, or do probably once every 6 months I do the flea market, and that kind of stuff sells good there. But it's freezing out here, it's cold, it's winter time. I think it's like in the 30s here in Maryland right now, so not too bad. But my helper's getting ready to get here in 20 minutes, and I'm going to set this up for a time lapse to kind of show all this stuff going down into my basement, and how my basement's going to go from fairly clean to packed full of stuff. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching and following me. Let's get to it. All right, guys, real quick before we bring it in, let me kind of show you. I'm in the middle of a couple projects right now. I've been testing these Godox. They are like high-end camera flashes. These alone are like around $175 a piece for the 8200. And then these here are all been tested and getting ready to be listed. These I still need to test. These are the bigger units, the 8400 and 8600. These are tested from a major retailer. So like it already says battery does not work, battery powered, dead. But I may be able to take a good battery from another unit and put in there, or buy that battery. Because some of these are around, I want to say 300. This bigger one here, one of these over here is like $400 to $600. So really higher end stuff. I'm trying to buy more high dollar items. Same thing here with these Drobo. These are like server units. I need to test those or sell them, and probably sell them as is, because I'm not even sure I can test them. But anyhow, the plan is to start putting the clothing boxes in this area, and over here blocking that stuff in, because I'm not going to get to that anyway right now. And then over here I'm going to take, these are just all empty boxes, like spare boxes. I'm going to start filling the reading glasses into these boxes, because sometimes they might only put like these fruit boxes, they might only put 10 units in, but I can fit the equivalent of what would normally only be 2 boxes to make up the size box. I might be able to put 4 times the amount of inventory in. So I'll take some stuff, take them out and put them in a bigger box, so there's less room down here, so kind of consolidate. But anyhow, it's going to be kind of crazy, but that gives you an idea where everything's going. We still have these. These are wall mounts. Actually, this is the wall mount, and then below that, this is older inventory I pulled from storage to go through when we were a little bit slower. But once again, now's the time to buy. Inventory is coming up quickly because of all the returns, and now they're also changing seasons. They're going to start bringing in the spring line, so all the winter stuff. I got a whole stack of shoes here to go through, so it's going to be a busy time. But check out the rest of the video. I'm getting ready to start bringing everything down now. My helper just got here. video of the aftermath of bringing in, well, we brought in 6. There's still one more pallet left. All this stuff will go to storage. It's the shelving. It doesn't need to go inside, but yep, we got a mess to clean up. All right, guys, here we go. Back inside, we have everything unloaded. It took us about an hour to do. Let me show you what we got here. So I'm sure you saw the time lapse, and this is what we're working with now. We actually already started after unloading and cleaning up a little bit. We started sorting out the glasses. So of the 3-pack glasses, these are all kind of loose or missing one. They need to be going through with a little bit finer detail. These are all pretty much just like new open box. So that one actually is completely sealed. They're already sorted based on the design type. So like full classic frame, full metal frame. And I've been looking some of these up. They're selling for around anywhere from like 10 to 15 bucks a piece. And when it was all said and done, I believe I paid about $2 a pack for those. That's shipped to me. So these are already sorted here, glasses, and then there's more. These are all glasses sorted as well, ready to be they need to have labels removed. Sorry about the noise. Labels removed, and then they need to get sorted again by style and magnification. And then basically from here, from about where my hand is here, back all the way to the wall is the 2 pallets of clothing. Minus there's some of the perfume and health and beauty stuff. And then this is all like the perfume, health and beauty. I'm definitely going to do unboxing of some of the health and beauty stuff. The glasses, I don't really think there's too much to unbox. You can kind of see it just based on this video. But there's definitely some really good high-end stuff in here. You know, there's a $40 perfume. It says 40 bucks. It's a e-com return, but it's still completely sealed, so that's brand new. This one's still in the original case. That one was a $56 item. You know, a lot of these are going to be new, but then some of them are going to be open too. Like this one looks like it's like the one is like a different color. I guess it's supposed to be one shampoo, one conditioner. Some stuff, it's hard, if it's hard to say, I either sell as used or I'll like take it to the flea market and try to sell it, just to at least try to get back my money. But I do want to get through some of this clothing pretty quickly though, because as you can see, it's blocking my fireplace, which is my main heat down here. So with that being that close, I don't really think I can run that unless somehow I try to deflect the heat, because it gets pretty hot right there. But anyway, just a real quick video showing you, you know, basically it was 6 pallets delivered today, one of which is still out there. I left the shelving that doesn't need to come in down here. I'll bring a couple pieces of that down, but most of that's for storage, my off-site storage. And you know, making it work, this is the area we go through and process the inventory. This whole area is all inventory that's listed. I have like another area back there where the fish tank is, where I film more inventory. And then all this is listed inventory. And then my shipping area is back there. This is their photo, my makeshift like photo table. Pretty easy. It's just like a cabinet, plywood top, nothing special there. If you guys are interested, I could do a video on how to make one of those. I made that for less than less than 50 bucks, so it works out pretty good. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the content, something a little bit different today. Drop your questions and comments down below. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.